This is kind of shitty. I don't know about boys and girls, but I'll tell you one thing. This game is over. O-V-E-R. O-V-E-R. This game is over. It doesn't mean the song's over. And that doesn't mean the prettiest thing that ever lived. That would be me. I'm still here. The game is over, but I'm still here. So by the way, the game we were watching and will no longer watch. Wait a minute, boys and girls. It stopped. They still not gonna play. It was Micronesia leading Palau. Now, the under 19 team of Palau. It's the best team in Micronesia. Micronesia was leading 4-1. Oh wait, it's raining again. Shocking. Whoa, Nelly. It's raining. Check that. It's pouring. Monsoon pouring. We had a nice shelter. Thank you, Jimmy Cliff and the Rolling Stones. Give me shelter. And thank you, Jesus, we got shelter. If we be out there, we be wet as hell. So as I was saying, before this monsoon, it was a beautiful ball game. But now, this game is O-V-E-R over. I will show you a panorama of why this game is over, even though the rain is now stopping. This is what rain does in Palau to your infield when you do not have a tarp. It turns it into the mud baths of the island of Palau. Those are mud baths, ladies and gentlemen. There's the first base mud bath, the second base mud bath, the third base mud bath, and here's your foul territory. That's what you call rain. In fact, here is the team from Micronesia. They know this ball game is O-V-E-R. And this game is O-V-E-R to the Palau team. And that also means, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that this video from the greatest of all time sports traveler. I've seen sports in more than 80 countries across 7 continents. And not only that, look at me. I'm the prettiest thing that ever can be. See you in the next video.